Before the aviation industry, I was in the hospitality industry, so it was a totally different world. My name is Kit, and I am a Hangar Support Materials Coordinator. Technicians, both structure and mechanics, request for parts. As a materials coordinator, we are the first liaison between the mechanics and the purchaser to get the parts order. It's very interesting, exciting, and every day you'll learn a new thing. I know the company is very good at hiring people internally, so that gives them the chance to move upward. And that is a really good thing. Whatever passion you have, there's always a path for everyone. I have worked with KF Aerospace for 3 years. Working in KF Aerospace has been life-changing. I feel proud, I feel happy, and I'm excited for all the opportunities in the next years to come.